Going on, guys? I'm in my garage here, and so what I want to talk about today is my 85 BMW. It's 325e, and right now we got the stock M20 motor in here. Not too much going on. The motor was running, but decided to go a different direction, so it's like half taken apart. And I got my to-do list here, and yeah. So basically, what we're doing is an M50 swap. And for those of you that don't know, that's the motor out of an E36. This motor is the Vanos version, which is a variable valve timing, um, something like VTEC and things like that, just BMW's version. So right now the motor's tore down, and I've got pretty much all the parts that I need to get this baby running. So the car's a low mile chassis. It's gonna need some body work. Had a little issue here on the trailer. We hit a mile marker on the highway, so luckily there's no frame damage or anything, but sucks. So anyways, this motor should probably make around 200 wheel horsepower after the chip that I'm going to put into the ECU, basically raise the rev limiter to 7,500. Yeah, the goals for this car is just to have like a fun daily slash autocross car. So eventually I'm going to do suspension mods and things like that. But right now I don't want to put money into it. I want to learn how to drive the car at its stock capacity to its limits before I go, dumping money into the car. Because I've done stuff on the street, but that's not track experience. So I wanted to do it in a better way. But shop's really messy. Just single bay garage. I have to do a lot of cleaning in here. Um, just because I was in here one late night, got drunk, and just started throwing shit around. So got a lot of work to do, but should be good. Pretty excited to get this thing on the road. I'm hoping within the next month I'll get it running. All the wiring is done. I bought this adapter that mates um, the fuse box and dash harness all the way to the M50 harness, and you got a bunch of these little cool plugs here for things like aux fan, oil pressure sensor, and just other things like that that are on the new motor. So everything I have is mostly plug and play, and I apologize for the quality. I'm using my phone. Still need to get my GoPro. Don't know where it is. I'm thinking about buying a whole new setup, maybe like a tripod and things like that for making videos, but it's going to be the start of some cool stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and stay tuned for more.